Let's dive into custom icons in Evlop. Icons are far more than just decoration. They are a vital touchpoint for your customers. We'll look at how to add an icon to your icon library and how to pick them at the right place. Start from your Evlop dashboard and head to Customize App. Click on the More drop-down menu and select Custom Icons. Scroll to the bottom and click Add Icon to open a new slot. Upload your custom icon SVG file. Give it a clear name and save it. It is now added to your icon library. Now let's explore how we can use them. We are at the multi-level collections page and trying to update icon for the All tab from the vertical tab bar menu. Here, the stock icon doesn't look good, so let's replace this with the custom icon. Here we can see the icon library and the custom icons waiting right at the top, such as the backpack icon we have just uploaded. For now, let's select a custom icon that is uploaded for the All tab. Click Done. As we can see here, the All tab icon is updated and looks aligned with the other brand icons in this page. Save the changes, and it's done. Ready to elevate your app's branding? Install Evlop to get started.